it's easy, no? Changes never are easy. Sergio has made a very good job during 2 seasons and a half. Has worked with almost all the players during a lot of time. So it's normal that many players are sad by this situation. But we are professionals. We defend FC Goa, and we have to look to the future. No, is no other way. I think we have the responsibility to fight on the same way to achieve the objectives of the club. And now we are happy that Derrick and his staff has helped us a lot during these days to get this situation, no? To be in this situation. As he said, they haven't changed many things, so it's good for adaptation. And now we only want to talk about football, to think, to be focused on the next game, on the next three games, that are very important for the club and for us. Players don't need to know everything what happened in a club, no? So as I say, our duty is to work, be focused on the practices and the games, and we have to respect the decision of the people who manage the club.
I'm very excited to be here to work with the first team. If you see our youth teams, we all play the same style of football and same formation. So to get into this setup is not a. I mean, there won't be much changes. We are going to follow the same style, same methods, and we'll stick to the same training routine, the way the team used to go about earlier, and there won't be much changes. I always believe that there is scope for improvement, and wherever the loopholes are, we'll try to plug in. I saw it very positive. Right from the day one, when I stepped on the training field, I saw there was a lot of positive energy among the players, considering all the whole situation. But I felt the players. I respect those players and the way they responded to our training, which was we went with the same routine, and there was not much change. So I mean, they responded well, and every day it was the same attitude by the players, which gives a lot of satisfaction, and I'm very happy about it. I was just telling Pena before we could enter here that I'm excited. To work with the set of players we have, the quality players. The last time I had was at Mahindra's, where we won trophies, and the same situation is right now. So I think we have the quality and players to support each other and get the right result.
Players and coaches goes from the club, but the club always remains. So here the most important is the club, are the supporters, and we have the responsibility to fight for the objectives of the club. If they love FC Goa, they have to support us, because we will fight at the pitch as the same way as we have done in every game. So tomorrow we will fight, we will play on the same way, we will try to entertain them, and we will fight for the victory. So we need their support, and we will try to make them happy.